Hi guys, thanks for having me on tonight.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming down, Macho.
Team up on as a hooker.
Yes.
Excellent.
I don't know
if she's going to be real, but we'll find out.
Mach can handle it.
Do I just hit Cole or?
Yeah, I'm gonna read the description here.
Alright, let's do this.
It's Goddess Amber
Get you all
Black.
excited.
Hello, submissives.
She's no gorgeous
the
George.
privilege of calling me Amber Black. I'm your sadistic, sensual, traving, dominatrix wrestling goddess.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in the area for 2 days to help you explore your fantasies and fetish desires.
You think she likes the figure 4 leg lock, or is she more like a pound and ground type of shit?
Let's find out.
I guess you're gonna have to ask her.
What's her name again?
Miss Amber Black.
Miss Amber Black. Okay, let's
call her to request access to the temple of
Do we have that on?
We do now that you turned it on.
I don't even know what I'm doing around here. Complete action using the dialers. Alright. It's turned up over here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Amber Black.
Yep.
Yeah. Hello, is this Amber Black? How you doing? I'm in town for the weekend. Are you in the St. Louis area? Okay, I was in town over the weekend. I had a little bit of a wrestling match. So when I was looking at your ad online here, tell me a little bit about your wrestling, because I was really interested in that. Yeah.
Well, I do I wrestle. I can do pin style wrestling, or I can do convention style, and I can find the ball. What I offer is a semi-competitive match.
Okay.
Or I do a fantasy style match.
So is it like a brawl for an all? Okay. Oh yeah, that sounds right up my alley. Okay, what I'm thinking is, are you familiar with the figure 4 leg lock?
Yeah.
Okay. I took that move and I modified it to the figure 69 leg lock. Do you think you'll have a problem with that? How competitive are we talking about being here? Like, are you trying to, explain this to me a little bit more. I'm really interested. It's getting me going. It's getting my juices going. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So,
Semi-competitive means you use half of your strength, and I use all of my strength.
Okay. Now, do you bring a referee, or can I have my man, my man with the mega powers? Can he be the referee, or how do we do this?
I can't have 2 men in here.
I'm not talking about a man. I'm not talking about another man. But I am pretty macho, so I am kind of like 2 men in one. Are you gonna be able to handle it?
I've been wrestling this for 10 years. That's who I am.
Indeed. What brings you to the St. Louis area? Yeah. What? Indeed. So will you play? Do you do the camel clutch? Do you do the camel clutch?
Yes, and the Boston Crab.
Oh, the Boston Crab. Yeah. So are you a Red Sox fan? Because I'm more partial to the Cardinals. Yeah. Okay, alright, yeah. Do you snip any bones like Slim Jims? Is that the style that you like to go, or are you more hardcore? I'm thinking chair shots. Do you do chair shots?
I don't have a wrestling ring, dude.
No. Check this out. So you do in calls or out calls, because here's what I got. I got this wrestling ring. It's 12 by 12. A lot of cushion for the pushing. And what I'm thinking is we have a 3-round bout. Yeah, if you know what I'm saying. And we can take it all the way up to the top of Sky Mountain and bring it all the way down to the depths of hell. Yeah, do you understand what I'm saying?
Am I talking to Randy Campbell?
You have no idea who you are talking to right now. I am the Macho One, the Macho Man. My brother passed away over this past year. You dig that? Yeah. Is this the Black Angel? Because I was talking to the White Angel a little bit earlier tonight, but I thought I'd go no little jungle fever. But is that what you got going on? Indeed. Is there some place I can find more pictures of you? I need to know if I'm going to be able to put you in the figure 69 leg lock.
I don't particularly want to be in anything involved.
No. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm thinking. You come into the room, I'm on top of the dresser, and I come down similar like from the top rope and do a muff dive. How do we think about that? Oh, no kidding. You don't know about a muff dive. It's my signature. I'm sorry, I jump I get up to the top and I bring it straight down with the elbow drop into the muff dive. Do you know what I'm saying? Amber Black. How much are we talking here? Cause my pain pill addiction has been fucking getting me out, but I'm down to I have a mask. Is that gonna be a problem? I'm a luchador, yeah. Black Angel, Amber Black, you are for real, correct? Amber Black, what I'm thinking is, I want to get down and dirty. How about me and you in the middle of the ring, toe to toe, nose to nose, and we're gonna snap into it like a Slim Jim. How do you dig that? I think of a match made in heaven. I can't let you, Miss Amber Black. Miss Amber Black. You have no idea. I got the adrenaline running through my veins. You have no idea. Steroids is we don't call them that anymore. Juice, yeah, I like the juice. You like the juice? What's your favorite kind of juice? Yeah. Pineapple juice makes my cum taste good. You know about that? Yeah. Is it? Why can't you take me seriously? Is it? I'm going into the Hall of Fame this year. Yeah, you know about that. I'll trade you a Hall of Fame ring for a night with the champion. You dig that? Do you what? Miss Amber Black, Miss Amber Black, do you want a shot at the title? Ooh, yeah, you have no idea. I'm gonna do a complete 180, and then a 360, and then another 180, and I'll be back around town, and you have no idea when it's going down, because I'm the Macho One, Amber Black. I tell you what, you, me, middle of the ring, toe to toe, the Macho Man against the Macho Ho. I'm telling you what, it is going down, Party Animal Radio style. If you can't dig it, you better dig it. You understand that? Dig it?
I couldn't do shit anymore. I couldn't do anything. I didn't know where else to go.
She's like, I can't take you serious. Why should you right now? It's the Macho Man calling.
How is she still on the phone? I unplugged your thing because I couldn't hit end on the phone.
She's like, nobody tries to. I can't take you serious. Are you really Macho Man?
She was fucking astounded, bro.
Actually,
starstruck. She was starstruck.
Get off the phone.
She wanted to
oh my god!
Yeah, she wanted to
I've never had someone call
Ladies
me.
and gentlemen, that was
They were the
Mikey
Macho
from
Man.
fucking PartyAnimalRadio.com.
Well,
Lord, that was fucking phenomenal.
I couldn't have done it without your inspiration.
speaking of plugs, we got a couple plugs we need to
We
cut
got a
here.
butt plug for the next one.
Yeah, we got a butt plug.
Watch,
going
maybe
up.
you should stay in there for the duration of it.
Oh man, that was great.
Don't forget to check out POW at Pops March 9th and March 16th at FUBAR. It's his first headlining show at FUBAR on March 16th, so big props to the big homie POW Pimp on Wheels. Go check his ass out. And this is his last two shows before he steps into the realm of I.C.U. Entertainment, and we'll see what happens with that, motherfucker.
Bum, bum, bum.
Motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
Plug.
Who's next in line for the hookup?
You want me to do one?
Yes, Ben.
Do we all have to leave the room?
We all have to leave.
No, you don't have to leave.
Yay!
Let's just cover my face up so you can't see me laughing.
Yes, you do.
You want to wear a blindfold, Ben?
That might not be a bad idea. No, I can still
I
hear.
mean, turn it into.
I wish she would call back.
Who? Amber
The
Is
Black?
this the Macho Man?
She
might be like-
Dude,
Randy?
she would bone me for
she-
free. I think
Yeah.
she'd bone me for free.
Dude, you'd be like, seriously.
I'd be like, I should send her a picture. And be like,
I need my charger. My phone's gonna keep beeping.
Where's your charger?
You want me
By
to
the
do,
sink.
She was starstruck with you, man.
What you saying? Swear was last time I had plugged into some bitch time.
What is
That was
happening?
fucking phenomenal, brother. Good job. Good job.
thanks.
Alright, we're gonna call Unforgettable Ava.
Unforgettable?
Ava, wait!
And
I want to call that other chick back. I want to have sex with her.
Oh yeah!
call her back.
She's gonna beat your
My
ass.
private line now.
See if
Beat your ass.
See if she'll wear a luchador mask. And
Like,
shit, you know?
Is that what you
You're gonna be like semi-competitive my ass. Get your fucking palm off my nuts.
She was like, she'll do the Boston Crab to you and everything, dude.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah.
You get crabs in Boston? Ooh, that's gross, brother.
Ah, man, see, I should have been thinking like that.
No, it's all good. You talking about her camel clutch?
I'm the Macho one.
Miss Elizabeth's camel didn't have a clutch. It was one speed.
She told her, she was like, I don't want to be put in a sleeper hole. You'd be like, it's not a sleeper hole. You know, you won't go to sleep on
You'll
it.
be awake, sweetie.
You'll be awake the whole time.
the whole time. I'm gonna put you in the sleeper hole. That fucking figure 69 was phenomenal.
Alright,
She's like, I don't want to hurt.
I'm Irish and Jewish, actually. Not much.
Surge protector. Right.
Oh, yeah, you can't unplug that. What are you talking
Plug it
about?
in.
Oh, yeah, you can plug shit into it.
Yeah. That's fine.
If you unplug that big plug, that will unplug the whole internet to those old plugs.
Don't
Everybody knows.
That means
Alright,
the
let's call
entire
some more
internet
fucking
is
hookers.
one.
Alright, no more hookers.
Let's
Ben,
call Unforgettable Ava here.
this time,
She's sweet and sexy and ready to
Chuckle.
play.
Thank
snarf,
God.
a snarl, a
sniff and a
whistle.
snarl.
She wants to relax you and make you feel like a king. I think she's supposed to say feel. She wants to make you feel like a king.
It's gonna knock you down.
She will knock you down right off your throne.
She gonna put you
I'll just
fucking.
give you a blunkin.
She's 5'2", 110 pounds with sexy legs and a
case of
great personality.
Tuesdays.
Just sitting down there.
There you go.
20 years old, baby. 314. I love to announce it.
Do not call these.
No, call them.
Call them after we're done.
Yeah,
After we're done. Don't be
314 337
Don't make them click over and get your call instead of this boss
6454.
call.
Exactly.
Alright, 20-year-old Ava.
Are we ready? Silence.
What, Ava?
20-year-old.
20-year-old.
Unforgettable.
Unforgettable.
Silence on set.
Oh,
Ava be dating.
Ava busy.
Oh, fuck you.
Ava fucking be dating right now.
The number you have reached.
All I wanted to... Hey, call in.
That's alright, I got everything you need right here.
The phone you have reached is
Everything
currently
you need,
in
22.
annex.
Fuck this bullshit.
How is that platinum
Everything
beer?
you need.
Delicious.
Hi, you've reached Ava. My
Here,
phone's in
want
my
the rest of that
pussy. Keep calling, please.
Oh, thanks for all your backlash.
You're welcome.
I'm just kidding. Thank you.
Let's see, everything you want, 22.
Instead of handing you the fucking fresh
I have
one, he's
just-
like, here, have this half drink one.
I have just the right umph.
Hospitality.
You want a beer?
I have just the right umph that needs
How about
to make your
half
dreams come true. I can be the cherry drop sensation you need to end your night right. My sweet lips and alluring sensual demeanor will pull you in while my skills will take
What?
care of everything and anything else you need.
I'm getting fucking horny. What?
Let a real
Alert-
woman take
what?
care of you. I'm all you need and I'll fulfill any fantasy and take care of any need. I'm just a phone call away. Don't be stupid.
There's your
Keep me
urinal,
waiting.
puck.
Damn, girl.
Yeah.
314.
Oh, you can just call them straight up. You guys don't hit like star 67 or
They won't
nothing?
answer.
They won't answer
Okay.
black calls.
Oh,
You
really?
know how many hookers?
Yeah,
call
who
me
cares
back?
if they call back? They're hookers. What are they gonna do? Get us in trouble?
295.
They ordered
hookers.
Hey, they ordered a pussy and didn't pay for it.
49.
Good call.
Come and get that smell pussy.
Smell pussy.
Smell pussy.
Get that smell pussy.
Smell it.
You need that smell pussy.
I'm gonna
Pepperoni.
smell your schmeckle. She's no name, so.
First person to make one. God
Son
damn it!
of a bitch.
You fucking hookers.
Uncle Scotty, what do you
Yeah, leave him at.
You're the worst hooker I've ever encountered in my life, bro.
That's funny, I don't care.
Whatever.
We should leave a message. You fucking bitches, we're trying to prank you.
Hey, look, we're trying to put on a radio show here and you're really fucking it up.
Yeah, you guys are our main attraction, you
Alright, I
stupid.
guarantee you this chick's not fucking hooker. She's fucking disgusting.
Excellent.
Who?
The petite caramel skin beauty with a hot body
she's
and
a nasty
she's
black
fucking
bitch.
Ask her if you
disgusting.
lick
Oh,
her.
I want to see this shit.
If you lick her back and
Damn.
She looks like a D. Snyder with black.
Black D. Snyder.
She looks like a black D. Snyder.
Oh.
No, you gotta say that. So
Look at
you're
that.
gonna say you look
Ask
like
her-
a Black D. Snyder girl.
ask her if she's that sweet if you lick her and pick her up and throw her against the wall.
Whatever. I don't even care about reading this. Her name is Miss Raven and she looks like a black D. Snyder.
Raven.
314-221-6974.
I've always
That's a
wanted to
straight
get down
number.
with a Black D.
221
Snyder before, and I figure this is my
6974.
fun a chance.
Alright,
She's
here
by
we
the
go.
airport.
Of course she is. 242 at the Renaissance, right?
Hello, Captain.
This one's totally picking up.
Hello, who am I speaking to? Raven, I was wondering about purchasing your services for the evening.
Okay, where are you located at, honey?
I'm by the airport, where are you?
Okay, you want to come to me or you want me to come to you?
I'd like you to come to me, it's a little hard for me to get around. If you could, would it be, if I reimbursed you, would it be possible at all for you to pick a thing or two up for me from the grocery store?
Huh?
I'm sorry.
You said pick up a couple things from the grocery store.
Right, would that be a possibility?
Well, I don't know where the grocery store is, honey. I know how to get to you, though.
Okay, could you find is there a grocery store?
I'll come to you and go to the grocery store.
You want to come to me first? It seems unnecessary. It seems like it'd be easier to go to the grocery store, pick me up a thing or two, come right here. Because once you get here, due to my advanced age, I may or may not be able to get up and going, if you know what I mean. However, I'll still pay for your services and reimburse you if you pick me up from the grocery store.
Okay, well, I'm not coming to you first that way. I'm not coming to you first and then I'll go to the grocery store, period.
That seems stupid, but okay. Now, what you gotta do for me when you get to the grocery store is you gotta pick up some Doritos and some roasted dry bean bread. Is that okay with you?
Okay, so, yeah, but I gotta come to you first.
This sounds stupid to me. Hello, are you there?
Call somebody else then.
Hello, are you there? How many of you roses do you need?
I got two mean too
Ask-
soon.
Hop in a taxi and say, take me to the grocery store.
She's only been called stupid.
Yeah.
That sounds stupid.
That sounds stupid, but anyways.
Some Doritos and some roast raw boom brown.
She was like, God, I got
sound a
a
little
fucking
too
vegetable on my hands. What am I gonna do with this guy?
You can't do fucking mean that quick.
Pete,
That's just fucking stupid.
you want to do one?
Okay,
No,
well, pick
no.
me
I don't
up.
think I've ever heard you do one.
You have it. I did it when you weren't here.
Oh yeah. Hey, you should do one.
Hey, you son of a.
Yeah.
You
You motherfucker.
I'm not.
Damn, Macho, you still here?
Really forgot you were
I'm
there.
not that good at it.
It was great when you did it.
Never did, because I called it transsexual and talked about his weed.
I'll find something else to talk about.
Do it again. Call another transsexual. If that's what you're good at.
I don't want to be gay, I just want to look at your wiener.
So do it.
You're a woman with a wiener.
I just want to watch you pee.
I just want to watch you pee. I have a fetish. I have to watch women pee out of their wieners.
Yeah. There you go. There you fucking go. Right fucking there. Huh? Who's gonna argue with that? Nobody can make that up. That's fucking crazy. Hey, I got this fucking fetish. I like to watch bitches. I like to watch bitches pee out of their dicks.
I'll call after we.
Is that so wrong, guys? Is that so wrong?
Give me time to find a nice transsexual.
Well, give me a bitch to call while
A
you do
real
it.
nice one.
I have a bitch.
Nice
I have a bitch loaded.
hooker on there.
Yeah, I have a bitch loaded. Let's do this.
I have a bitch loaded, ready to go. She likes fetishes, mild domination, etc., or just simple fun.
Or
Fetishes, mild dominant. Ooh, fetishes.
She's 41 years
Domination?
old.
So she'll beat the fuck out of me?
She's 5'8" with 42 Ds.
hey, you should call back that bitch I called.
I'm gonna try a different.
I hope you're fucking intimidated by sitting next to the
You want her
fucking
number?
master right now.
I'm gonna
Shut
call her
your
later.
mouth, laughing Scotty. You are the laughing Scott of this whole room.
Just so you know,
Ha 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 ha
Mr. H-Train.
Damn.
Real big letters right at the end here. Truck drivers are welcome.
Truck
Perfect.
drivers are welcome.
Do it.
It's 314-662-6481.
You in from Tennessee again?
So when she says she's 41, how old do you think she really is?
Is she 41?
62.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, I gotta take my fangs out. You
You
didn't hear that.
Story of my life.
I gotta pull them fags out.
Hold on, you there? Sorry, I had to take my fangs out.
Animal hamper.
Alright, here we go.
We stop at the grocery store.
Super Fi.
What's your name? Hey, how you doing? I've seen you on the internet. You still up? You fixing to go to bed? Well, shit, it's not even 10 o'clock at night. I was hoping I could hang out with you for a little while. What about tomorrow? What about tomorrow? You busy tomorrow? We'll see. Well, let's make plans. Shit, I ain't got nothing to do, girl. You know what I mean? Hello? Yeah, wake on up. We don't have a goddamn party all goddamn night.
That went downhill real quick.
Well, she was obviously asleep.
What hookers go to bed at this time?
Right.
Maybe she has to
Wore
stop
the
in the
fuck
middle of the
out.
night.
I don't know.
She is
Well,
She
she's
been
clearly wore
fucking
out.
tricking all day long.
It's Sunday at 9. She's like, oh, fuck, I'm 42. I used to be able to do this shit clean through Tuesday.
I'm wore out. I had a busy Sunday.
My ass got tore up this
My
weekend.
jaw hurts like a motherfucker.
Church was a motherfucker.
I prayed to Jesus and shit. I had to take on the whole. Jesus gave me 4 more dicks.
Let's take a quick break and I'll come back and call it transsexual.
That was Jesus.
Yeah, let's take a quick break and I'll come back and call it transsexual.
We're gonna take a quick break and Freaky P's gonna call a dick
You're welcome.
and some boobs.
Thanks for having me on, guys.
Hell yeah.
Hey, thank you, Mach.
Oh yeah. I need my phone wire back before we can take a break, sir.